Are we ready? Yeah. Yay! Hello. Let me wait. Here we go. Let me mute myself on the YouTube. Hello, come on. Happy Monday, everyone. Hello. Wait, let me put the link in the Discord also. Give me a second, guys. I've done my stories on time this time. Hello. Just give me a second. Where is Charles Fanatic Discord? Wait, where is? Here. Boom. We are live. Boom. Oh shit! I've tagged someone else. Fanatics. There we go, guys. Good morning. We're gonna let people join the stream. We are a bit late, I know. Okay, I hope you got a very good weekend. Mine was extremely tiring. Actually, mine was actually very funny. Just quick one. I'm Muslim, okay, but I live in a Christian country. Okay, my wife is Christian. And yesterday I spent my day holding a it was like a Christian, basically, like it's a Christian thing, okay, and I was being part of this. It was weird. I was like, where I am, how I'm spending my Sunday. And right now I'm so tired because I think I walked yesterday. I've checked my Whoop. 18,000. I did 18,000 steps yesterday. 18,000 for a fat boy like me. So yes, I needed backup today. I needed energy. So I said, you know what? Let's get Adeel, a new trader. He's gonna be training. He will be streaming with me for a couple of, I think, 1 or 2 or 3 weeks, let's say. And after that, he will be by himself. And also, we have the best version of. Actually, saying this is not good anymore because Andrew Tate is right now. He looks like he's a piece of shit. So, just Sanj, we have our son, and I'm not saying he is a son because he doesn't have any hair, because he's extremely good looking. Our Sanj, but we have also Sanj. Okay, so we are 3 today, not 1, not 2, but 3. Okay, more we are, more fun it is, and we have me. And yeah, so my introduction was so bad today, but you know what? It's fine. Tag me. Hey Usman, good. Well, good. Hey Usman, good morning. Hello traders. Umi. Anas is here. By the way, is our problem child is here today? Billy, if you are here, I'm checking on you every time we're streaming. I need to be sure that my child is here. We're gonna check gold. So, producer, can you bring everyone, please? Oh wow!
Look at this, Avengers Assemble.
Look at this. We have 2 guys with 2 hats, and we have our beautiful Sanj.
That probably needs a hat. Yeah.
You don't wear any hat, I guess.
Yeah. I should. I gotta protect the head, man.
Man, I mean, in Bermuda, is it like hot right now, or it's like?
It's hot.
What the weather? It is hot.
It's hot all the time. Bro, the weird thing about Bermuda is the temperature is static. So today is highs of 27, lows of 27. It doesn't move. All day, all night, it's just hot.
Well, you know what? Let me check, because it's actually a heat wave in Portugal.
It's been, I know Europe and UK have had it bad, man.
Where are you? Where are you located, Adeel?
I'm in USA, so I'm in the state.
Oh
of
yeah,
Maryland.
you are in USA. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's 9 a.m. for you right now. Early day.
Yes, sir.
It's 35 where I am right now. 35 degrees.
Yes.
And
Wait,
thank
what's that
God.
in Fahrenheit? You gotta tell me for USA. We don't go by Celsius. We don't
35.
go by the metric system.
Hold on. That's 95 Fahrenheit.
Oof. Oh man, yeah,
Yeah.
that's hot.
Yeah, but it's fine. I'm not gonna complain because I have the AC literally on top of me right now, so I'm fine. But whenever I'm opening this door, I feel like I need to be a good boy, because if this is 35 degrees, I can't imagine in hell how much degrees this is going to be. So, but it's good. I'm losing weight. This helped me to lose weight because I'm doing my workout outside, so that helps. Let me get the chat quickly. Wait.
Oh, Ahat says he's in Silver Spring. Wow, Ahat, that's very close to where I am, man. We should definitely connect. That's awesome.
Silver Spring. What was that? Is that like
It's a city.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a city in
don't
the state of Maryland. That's awesome.
listen. One of the rule as a trader is never dox yourself. So just be careful. Like, I'm just gonna tell you one thing. In France, there is that's the reason why I don't share that much of payouts. Literally, you check by yourself. But in France, there is literally mafia and groups of people that take hostage crypto guys and traders to basically like to ask him money in exchange of freedom. So, and it's a massive thing. Like every week, there is at least like 1 or 2 guys, traders or crypto guy, that get hostage by mafia.
Oh man.
And they ask money in exchange. I don't know how to, I think I've explained it correctly, right? But yeah, so that's why like I got out. Those stories are making me so scared that I said, okay, I'm gonna stay quiet a little bit. Now in Portugal, I'm such like in a place where it's so much secure, and I have 4 cameras around my house, that now I'm like, okay, I can chill a little bit more. But I don't know what the case in US, because you guys have guns literally. So
yes, sir. We love our Second Amendment here.
so I'm also scared of you. we don't want to lose you unless you share your Apex account with us. Well, listen, guys, I'm 1% away to have my first payout with Apex. So hopefully, I'm not gonna share my payout with you, but at least the win. Yeah. So Adeel, it's your first day with us. So quick introduction. How long have you been trading? Who are you? What type of strategy do you trade? And
yeah, absolutely. So look, I'm an average dad. I work a corporate 9 to 5. And did the standard routine, went to college, got a degree, got a corporate job, grinded up the ladder, but eventually got to a place where I just started thinking I wanted a little bit more, and I came across trading and instantly fell in love with the whole concept, right? I mean, you tell me anything in the world that compares to trading, where you get financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom. I mean, there's no match, right? So as soon as I found trading, I was like, this is exactly what I want to do. And I have been trading for 4 years now. And the truth is, look, I'm still working my full-time 9 to 5. I'm still not a full-time trader. This stuff is hard work. Becoming a profitable trader, it is so hard. Like, psychologically, we are not built to be traders, right? You have to rewire your whole mindset. Now, thankfully, I've had more success this year than I've ever had before. I have gotten a few payouts, but I just haven't had a breakout moment yet, So I'm still grinding, trying to get base hits, and and the reason I started documenting my journey is because every time I look, I see people posting payouts, winning trades, etc. But I just felt like I really couldn't relate to anyone. I felt like everyone was already through the journey that I've been or I am in right now. So I just started picking up my camera and just started recording and just started posting my wins, my losses, the lessons that I'm learning. And honestly, the feedback and the support that I've gotten on social media, it's been incredible. everyone's been reaching out, people in my DMs saying like, dude, I'm going through the exact same thing, you know, keep going, you got this. And it's been awesome. So the whole journey, it's been an absolute, you know, it's been an incredible journey.
I mean, to be honest, I think I can relate to that because, I mean, not myself, but on what you just said is that all the social media is so saturated with good hook, good profits, good all of those things, which is actually not reality. Like, is actually like the content should be on social media is people depressed, people trying to find their edge, people trying to fix their strategy because it's not perfect, so they are trying to every day, every week, try to see what they can improve, questioning themselves.
Yeah.
And it's more raw, it's more real. And that's why, like, when I saw your profile, I was like, yes, I like this guy. This guy looks real and sincere. So let's
really
get him on.
that.
Let's
Thank
get
you,
him on
man.
the stream. No,
Appreciate it.
No, I feel like we need to create like some kind of ritual for every new trader we have on stream. I'm thinking we do like 25 press ups, 25 squats, and then you jump up and immediately full port your account. Like,
is it too early to quit?
yeah.
Oh, yeah. I didn't get into trading to do physical exercise, bro.
Well, listen, if we reach TP today, because we're gonna do a quick analysis because it's 28, so market is opening in 2 minutes. We should do that actually. If we reach TP today, we should do something related to pushing ourselves a little bit. But yeah, just quick one because I know the people on the stream gonna be impatient because I know you bastards. I know how you guys are. To be honest, I am the same right now. So my take on NAS. We have 2 minutes. So let's start with the weekly, okay? And weekly has been extremely bullish, okay? Extremely bullish. There is nothing to say on this. So we are looking for some I'm looking at least potentially for some buys opportunity. However, okay, I do need to take this into consideration. We have those highs equals that I want to reach, but we also took those liquidity recently, okay? And I did say to you that I'm looking to reach those highs. Yes, I was on a short on Monday, I believe. I've closed my short in profits. Tuesday we continued. We went lower on Tuesday, I believe. Yes, it is true. Someone sent me a private message on Instagram saying that why are we ignoring the daily FVG and the order block, which is actually, he was right, because we have an order block, but I will explain later on the stream why I was initially not looking for buy opportunities, because I was looking to buy from here, but we didn't. It's fine. At least I've made some profits, which is I'm already happy about. However, I am looking for buys opportunity overall. However, I am still looking for quick shorts. Why? It's because we have a daily FVG in here, and if I'm looking for some swing opportunities, I want to have this FVG and order block to be tapped before we go higher. Literally the same scenario of last week. You see, FVG in here, right? We went down Monday and Tuesday. We tapped into the order block, and after this, poof, we went up. Nice. I'm actually looking for the same scenario this week. I want to go lower to this previous Friday low, and after that consolidate, and after this we go higher. So right now, if we go to the 1 minute, it looks like, oh yeah, so in the 5 minutes, I am looking, actually it's either we start to sell from this area or from this BPR. Okay, or from this BPR, which is balanced price range. So for me, there is two places because there is a bit of liquidity just there. So I'm not really interested by this area. So it's either we do a continuation to the downside, which means that from this FVG we continue to go lower, and also we have an order block here that is turning into a breaker block, right? Cool. Or we go higher, we get more petrol, let's put it that way, to after this taking all the liquidity, tap into it, and now we can go more lower. So if I go now to the 1 minute, for now it looks like we are reacting positively to the FVG in here, but I'm still gonna wait a little bit more. The market just opened, so we're just gonna wait slightly more. Yeah, I don't know what you guys think. Like, what's you guys' opinion on this? Adeel, maybe.
I mean, yeah, that's solid analysis. I mean, I trade a much more simple system, honestly, Noah. So I like what you're looking at. I trade YM. So I know you're looking at NQ. So yeah, I trade the odd child. Almost nobody trades YM. I mean, when I started trading, I started with Forex, but then obviously futures have the best volume for New York session. So then I switched to US 30, which is like the CFD of of YM. But then I realized okay, YM is the actual futures market, so that's why I'm trading that.
Okay. But are you still looking for shorts today or long for you?
Market was so YM was dipping lower because I don't know if you caught, there were some comments coming out of the Middle East, and it kind of started to wiggle and drop. But right now at the open, it is ripping up. So what I'm looking for to see is that if it taps yesterday low, and I see some absorption on the footprint, and it starts to reverse, I'm going to look for shorts. But I am not going to do anything until it hits that key level. So right now I'm just
maybe show on your charts what are the key levels that you're, because we are on your charts right now.
Oh, okay, yeah. So as you can see, this is the overnight low. This was the lowest point that it made in the pre-market. This is yesterday high. Very clean chart. That's what I like. This is the easiest way for me to trade. So essentially, market just ripped up. I'm waiting for it to come into yesterday low to see a reaction, right? Are we going to break through it, or are we going to reverse and then continue down with the downward momentum that we had in pre-market? Or we're going to drop and break overnight low and go lower, and then I'll look for shorts that way. So that's essentially my plan. So I'm waiting for price to hit a key level and then seeing the reaction and then playing off of that.
Okay.
Theo, is it safe to say you don't have like a fixed bias coming into a day or a session? You kind of just wait for levels to be tapped and watch the reaction?
Yes. I used to trade with a bias, and I realized I really don't need it. I'm literally, if I can just wait for price to hit a key level, I'm looking for one or two things to happen, and I'm just executing. And it just keeps my trading simple and my analysis simple. I don't overthink, this way. So I don't, sometimes you can marry a bias, right? And then sometimes you're just trying to buy the dip or, short the rally. And I'm not about that. I'm just going to wait till it hits key level. That's when I lock in and I look for a continuation or reversal.
Okay. Makes sense. Well, listen, producer, if you can go on my screen, because right now I'm quite aggressive on this one because I bought a new 150k challenge on Apex, so I am shorting at the moment. So let's see, because basically wait, let me, producer is sleeping. Hello, my screen, please. He's where is it? Yeah, there you go. And by the way, we were in profit at the beginning, and now we are sharing my screen. We are back in break even. But basically, yes. So right now we got like I'm taking this trade at the moment. It's it's a challenge on Apex, so I'm going quite aggressive because it's either for me, it's either we go from here or from the higher stage, which is actually in this entire level. Because I like to add my FVG and my auto block. You don't trade at FVG and auto block, I guess, huh? Adil.
I do not. There was a time where I was getting into ICT, and yeah, just couldn't resonate with it, you know. So I know a lot of people are very successful. I'm not gonna knock on it. You know, there are some questionable things about ICT. I mean, I don't know. We'll leave the controversies out, but I just I dabbled in it a little bit, but then I kind of developed my own system.
What type of controversy do you have to say?
You want to get into it?
I mean, right now, market is getting a little more slower, so I think we have time, huh?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, look, I do believe that you can trade with any method as long as you have the data behind it, right? And people do. People trade ICT with data behind it, and they're successful. But you know, there's just a lot of questionable things from that, or I guess perhaps ICT has done that people have made, you know, or questioned his reputation, you know, on social media. You know, I mean, the whole story about getting kidnapped and creating the algorithm, and I don't know. I mean, and then becoming a YouTuber. I mean, come on. Like, I don't know. You tell me. What are you thinking?
Listen, we are on a short on NAS right now. Anyone with me on this short, guys, on the chat? Hello? Let's change the conversation, please. Wahid, I know what you're gonna say, Wahid. You've been asking me every week. Video is coming soon. Okay, this week I'm gonna be making content. I swear to God. But yeah, no, talking about the ICT and stuff. No, I mean, to be honest, I think he's a massive troll. I think everyone is taking, because trading is such like a place where when we see a guy that is 40 or 45 or 50, we want this guy to be very serious and acting like a serious guy. But I feel like ICT guy, he's a guy of internet. He troll, he don't take stuff seriously. And I think he's made so much money that he is in a place where he doesn't take stuff seriously anymore, and he doesn't give a fuck about what people think about, which is actually true freedom. So that's why I'm like, if he can make people profitable with his theories, and he's live streaming also, so he's
Oh, is he?
No, I don't think he's live. I think he's recording himself and putting those videos on internet. I think it's like GG, well played. I mean, I don't know. It's a weird character. It's a weird person. The only thing that I don't like is hating on people, and he's constantly hating it.
Oh.
Like, he's constantly like talking shit on people all the time, and that's the thing that is getting me annoyed.
Yeah, real quick, Noah, I am in longs right now because I did see price come back to overnight low. I'm protecting my stop under that swing, and I'm targeting yesterday low now. So just got longs at 53,631 or 637. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just an idiot on YouTube.
Hey, good reminder. We are, yeah. Hey, listen, if you guys take this trade, you are also retarded like us. You just keep this in mind. We are all retarded in here. So please just don't be stupid with your money. Okay, nice. Well, let's see. Senj, on your sides.
Quiet over here, man. Monday mornings, we're still waking up, seeing how things are looking in the market. I don't have a huge amount going on. If we want to flick over, I got one thing that I'm potentially watching that I am looking at. It's an area of interest for me on, why are my shots loaded? 1 second. This level here for me, 1 second. Cable. So British pound against the US dollar. in a specific area of interest for me, right? So again, a lot of people know from previous streams, I look at ranges in price. I am observing how cable has reacted off of this previous high, created a little bit of a swing failure going into it on Friday, watching for the reaction in and of it today, and waiting to see how price moves out of here. I think if we can start to clear out these lows in here, we could open up and create a little bit of a rotation to the downside. So I'd be looking for at least maybe like an hourly 5-minute close below these lows. Once we get some kind of confirmation of that, I think we open up some room to the downside. So very much wait and see mode at the moment. But that's, I think, probably the best or cleanest thing that I have on my radar that makes sense.
Okay, nice. Nice.
Yeah, I like that. Simple, clean, easy to explain.
Yeah,
That's what makes execution easy. That's what I realized, man. Like I had a huge problem with overfitting, overcomplicating my strategy, adding more and more, thinking that I'm gonna get a higher win rate, and it just doesn't work that way, right? Trades have probabilities. As long as you have a simple system that you can execute on repeat, that just gives you slightly higher edge. I mean, that's all you need. It's not rocket science. But I feel like we just need to make it into rocket science to, I don't know, feel importance. I don't know. It's tough, man.
I think the problem is people just don't like being wrong. They don't like losing. They don't understand you can be wrong a lot and actually still make money, because it doesn't work like that in many other areas of life. So this is why, and I think we said this just before we jumped on stream, like trading is hard because it's a human problem half the time. It's not a market problem. It's not a lack of information problem. It's a human problem.
Absolutely. Yeah, 100%.
Listen, guys, I'm conflicted because I also wanna take a long on NAS.
Bro's trying to fade himself. What's happening here?
No, because basically, like, we took those liquidities out. Okay. We also tapped way much lower. We took I have divergence, something that I like to use. Well, where's yeah, here we go. My divergence is also quite strong right now. So yeah, I'm actually looking also for a potential long. So let's see, because we have this BPR now after taking the liquidity. I'm gonna explain after properly, but I'm just gonna see, because it's gonna happen quite now. It should be happening now. And if we have a reaction, like a rejection, let's put it that way, I may enter for a long also, and the best trade will win in between.
I'm gonna give a secret to the chat on winning their trade today. Smash that like button. Get that good karma. That's what you need. Start the week off right.
Yeah, because we may lose today, we may win today. If we lose, at least we have some likes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. So,
Anas says it might come down and fill the opening gap. I presume he's talking about the one on NQ.
Yeah, let's see. Yes and no, kind of, because the thing with gaps and stuff is that so many times it didn't work correctly. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna, because I do agree, like, we have room at the bottom. The only thing is because we took some liquidity out of the market, basically. Okay, so now let's see. But basically, like, we took some liquidity out of the market, We took this one. We took all of those. Like if you see, like there is like equals in here. We also tapped into this gap, right? So my plan behind is, okay, if we are looking for some scalp opportunities, we have this trend line of liquidity. So I would like the market to go higher to this level, tap into this order block, FVG, BPR that we spoke about previously, and after this, potentially get the real sell. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for, because on the 1 hour, look at this, we took the entire liquidity in 1 hour. So yeah, let's see. In any way, because I've closed my short previously, it would be a kind of almost a break even. So yeah, and also guys, like you guys need to remember, like I'm not trading on my 1 million funded account. I'm trading on my new challenge. So I'm being a little bit more aggressive. But if you guys have been following socials, not really the Discord, because I've shared my analysis on my Instagram. We got the short last week, Monday and Tuesday, which is amazing. And what I'm looking is another short, but not from where we are right now, but from this line, like this exact line above this high. That's what I'm looking for. So that's why I'm looking for a potential quick buy to after get the swing low, like the swing short. But yeah, let's see, because right now it's 50-50, yeah. It's 50-50 compared to Adil, who is a little more in a safe spot compared to me.
Yeah, I'm running in profit right now, but the market is slow. Volume is slow.
Are you trading on a funded account or challenge or?
I am trading on a challenge. Yeah, right now.
Okay,
I
nice.
am funded, but today I've decided to.
With who are you funded, by the way?
Creatify.
Shout out Trader.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
So currently funded with them, but that one, I'm taking risk a little bit easy. Working my way to a payout slowly, but I added on a challenge. I have a prop firm budget. I allow myself weekly to get 1 or 2 accounts, and then I trade those as well. So
I think that's a good way to go about it, man. I've always liked that idea. You give yourself a budget for the week, for the month. You kind of stick to that, and you kind of know, like, this is my fixed cost now. It's not going to be anything higher than this.
Exactly.
Balak says, just long to July open. No, I think that's targeted at you, I think.
Wait, what did he say? Wait, I was...
Just go long until the July open.
Ah, that's Falak. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Wait, so Falak has the same vision as me right now. Oh.
That must mean one thing, right? We all go short.
Hey, it means that we may win actually today. We may win. We may win. Wow, let's see. I'm glad I've closed my short position. You see, like the thing is, like, the way that I trade is usually liquidity based. So that's why, like, when I said that we took the liquidity just before, which is this one, like this exact one, and based on that, all I'm gonna see after is where is the momentum, like what's the momentum. And after taking this liquidity, look at how we got some volume in, you see. And when I saw this volume, I said, shit, my sell potentially maybe is not a good idea anymore. And what I said previously is like, okay, cool, that's fine. I don't want to be married to a bias. This is the worst thing that you can do in trading. The worst thing that you can do is to be married to a bias, because what people should be doing is listening what the market is giving to you. Like, we should be reading what the market is giving to us. Simple as this. So right now, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right, but we took the liquidity. I have divergence. We do have some FVG left at the top. We are maintaining this level quite strongly. We got one displacement in 1 minute. We got another displacement in 1 minute, and the previous 500 candle is actually quite bullish, which is actually quite good for me. So for now, my trade is hopefully will we stay strong. We stay strong, and I have a couple of TPs. The first one is this one. The second one will be, I don't know for the second one, to be honest, because it's only Monday. So let's baby step. First one, we do this one, and we see after what we do.
The most important confluence you missed there is you're also long with Falak.
Oh, and we are also
Come on.
Listen, bro.
He says Noah. He says, tell them what happens when anyone counter trades me.
The worst thing you can do is to go against my bias. Listen, he's sometimes right. He's sometimes not every time, but sometimes. But it feels like today we are kind of in the same page. And even Adil, wait, because Adil, did you reach your TP already? Oh no,
I have not yet. So
maybe let's stick to my screen. Let's stick to my screen quickly because Adil is sweating right now.
No, I'm not sweating. Look, I know my stop loss is protected. Now I'm hands off. That's it.
Okay.
Now my hands off, and I'm letting it do its thing. Market's gonna wiggle, but it's not gonna make me shake. Not today. So we'll see what happens.
Falak says a deal is getting liquidated.
Come on, man. Let's speak some good in the universe. All right, come on.
Oh God.
Wait. So until that, so during that time, because I'm not gonna stick to looking to NAS forever. So I'm gonna put one alert on my TP, and we will see after. I'm not gonna put any alerts to my entry. I'm gonna leave it like it is because we did some profit before. So if I'm losing in here, is not that bad. I'm gonna move my stop loss below the 5 minutes. Yeah, boom, that's it. And we're gonna leave it like it is. Okay. Now, I know Reese is looking into euro and gold. So what we're gonna do? Oh my goodness. I was looking for longs on gold, and I think we missed it. Yes. 2. Okay. Yeah, we missed it. Okay. I mean, we missed it, but not really that much yet. That we may have another chance. So let's see. But yeah, I was looking for longs on gold. I don't know, chat, how why you guys are looking on gold. Let me get the chat on my phone because on my MacBook I can't see you all the time. So let me get the chat in here. Okay,
we need Billy. Billy's our resident gold analyst. Is maybe the polite way to put it.
It's true. Let me tag him on Discord.
Sanjay, I wanted to ask you a question. I know you were looking at cable, and I know you're a swing trader. So does this allow you to trade multiple markets because you're swing trading, or are you still just focusing on one pair?
Nah, I focus on a bunch. I focus on a lot of FX majors. I'm actually in the transition to start going back into some intraday stuff because I found swing trading very difficult with Trump. The number of tweets that he sends out, and I mean the war going on. Me personally, my strategy hasn't done so well over the last quarter or so. And I actually think there's greater edge in having a shorter time frame perspective to be able to adapt to the market a little bit quicker, because otherwise my bread and butter time frame is the daily chart. And for me, for things to shift there, it takes a long time. So when I'm out of sync, I'm out of sync for an extended period. But it's my comfort zone. But like you said, there are some periods where I don't trade a single market for an extended period of time. So I have to have multiple markets. Otherwise I do nothing for the bulk of the year.
I like that. You know, because when you listen to traders, you know, like prop traders, like the brick and mortar prop traders, right? Like the ones that are like in New York, you know, and firms and stuff, and you know, they talk a lot about trading the market that's in play, you know. And you know, with your strategy, if you're able to look at multiple markets, I think that's an awesome edge to have, because then you can be in that market that's really moving, that's you know that's hitting your levels versus having to sit through chop or something.
100%. I heard a quote. I can't remember where I took this from, but it was about the idea that money in the markets never really disappears. It just rotates, it transfers into something different, right? Was it Noah? I don't know. I'm getting some wisdom from somewhere.
I said
you see it all the time, man. You see one market go quiet and something else will start pumping. We saw commodities at the start of the year go on an absolute rampage. You've seen it in crypto go through multiple times, right? People are just dying of boredom because there's just nothing going on. But it's not that the money has been taken out. It's just rotated into something else, another sector, another industry. So I think having that broader view is very, very helpful to see where the money's going, where the energy's flowing. But yeah, I don't know. It's just a personal opinion. Like you said, I've seen people go completely the other way and just a specialist in one market, and they've done very, very well. I just think each to their own. You got to find what works for you.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, if you're day trading and you're on the smaller time frames, I think it's almost impossible to be watching multiple markets. Like, I mean, it's gonna throw your execution off. I mean, I tried it did not work. I tried looking at ES and YM together. I couldn't do it. So I'm like, if I'm gonna day trade, I'm gonna be on the 2-minute time frame. YM is the only thing I'm gonna look at. So
I used to coach a trader a few years back, and he used to have, I think it was either 10 or 12 markets on his watch list. He's an intraday trader. But his view was, out of those 10 or 12, when I go into any given day, I'm looking at the market that looks the best this day. And that was his focus after that. He wouldn't touch it. He wouldn't breathe onto anything else. He would just focus on that. And I kind of like that aspect because it gives him the breadth of like the overview of the market. But then on the day, he's kind of tunnel vision and locked into one specific thing. So again, each to their own, man.
Nice. Yeah, that sounds pretty interesting.
You know what is interesting too?
Flying.
Huh?
Apparently gold is flying, Matt says.
Yeah, that's why I'm not doing any analysis right now, because it's gone. It's gone. Like right now, I'm trying to find, like, because the thing with gold, that's why I was looking for longs, is that there is liquidity on top. And right now we are reinforcing this liquidity. Like we have 2 equals on top. So we're gonna go higher. That's for sure. But right now, or if I'm honest with you guys and people in the chat, is that the buying right now is it's late. We are too late now. So we're gonna need to wait. So I'm not gonna be actively looking right now on gold. I'm gonna wait until he retraced. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put one alert on this FVG, this one, because this is the only one that I really like. There is no other FVG that I kind of, even in the 15 minutes we have, it's aligned with an order block. I think this one is going to be a slow cook. It's either he's going to go without us, which is fine. It is what it is. Or we have a second chance. And if we do have a second chance, we need to get it. So we're going to put one alert here. I'm just going to put another one in here. And we're just gonna wait. While you guys were talking, I was looking into DXY, and I may need your help because I don't really know what to do with DXY. Because what from my understanding is that fundamentally we are bullish on DXY. Maybe I'm wrong saying this, but fundamentally we are supposed to be bullish. But at the moment, there is nothing that is telling me that we are. Because that's why I said, like, I like past few days, I was looking to sell Euro USD, but it looks like I am totally wrong for now. So my question is, okay, cool. If we want to go higher, it's fine. The question mark behind is what the market is looking for, what the market is looking to grab, like what type of liquidity he is looking to grab. So Adil, you don't trade Euro USD, right?
No, I do not.
So you can't help me. And Sanj?
Sorry, brother.
I mean, I trade Euro sometimes. I just don't really have a strong outlook on it at the moment. I think, is it Sparse in the chat says, I'm short and targeting the daily low. I believe that's on Euro.
Wait, I'm short entire. Okay, I'm gonna listen to Sparsh in this entire chat. Nah, because Sparsh actually proved me wrong last time. He was like, "Yeah, he's not gonna go there." He's actually went there. So I'm gonna take into consideration what he's saying. Your personal Pips, good to see you here, brother. What's your views on EuroUSD? Well, Spar, I'm asking you, what's your view? Okay, he's shorting. He's looking to short EuroUSD. Okay. Well,
Look, if I can say something, Sparsh sounds confident, but you know what? What I say is, when in doubt, stay out. Okay, so you know.
I know.
But if you want to join them, you're more than welcome to. But that's all. That's what I'm gonna say.
Listen, you know what? We're gonna do things. I'm short too on EuroUSD. Good reaction on 4-hour FVG. Okay, and Samuel. Okay, Samuel, Spa, Tokyo High, sweep, maybe on gold. I agree on trend. Okay. I also shorted EuroUSD 7 hours ago. Fucking hell. Okay, I'm buying you also, but nearly at my TP, been swinging for 2 weeks. Okay, cool. Well, let's do step by step then. Okay, let's do step by step. So first, we took this liquidity. Great. However, we haven't tapped into any FVG that is very interesting for us. Do we have any FVG in here? Yes. Okay, so we have one. Okay, so we tap into this 4-hour order block. Okay, that makes sense now why we are reacting that way. I am looking DXY for a potential long coming because we have all of those equals on top. Potentially this too, because it's the market is okay. So this could be our TP number 1 and TP number 2. Okay, so that's fine. However, now 1 hour, nothing at the moment in 1 hour is telling us that DXY is going higher, because look at the 1 hour close in there. That looks dog shit. So we can't do much more at the moment. So the question is, because it feels like in the next 15, half an hour, 1 hour, we're gonna go more lower, is where could be potentially the reaction where the market can go bullish again. And this could be this area, this one, okay. So if, let's say, actually I like this analysis.
Real quick, Noah, Saif asks if I am still in Dow Jones. Yes, I am, Saif. I am long from 53,637, and I'm targeting yesterday low.
Yeah,
go ahead. No, don't mean to interrupt you there.
Okay, now wait. Okay, well, let's see if this trade. Wait, the 4-hour close is done. Okay, 4 hours close is done. Okay, yeah, 1 hour. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. Okay, and I'm gonna put TP here. Should be fine. Okay, perfect. Okay, so GXY, yeah, so that's the area that I'm looking for potential long from there. So if I go to euro, oh yeah, this is what wait. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. So that's the area that I'm looking for the liquidity to be out, and after this, hopefully go lower. Oh yeah, and we have all of those things to take. Yes, I'm also actually looking for a short on euros. Mostly that's 15 minutes is actually quite clean. The only thing is those two. Let me see. That's annoying, but we're not gonna take too much into consideration for now. And there is no displacement, there is no momentum, there is nothing in here at the moment. So it means that we are potentially just building liquidity. But look at guys, look at it in here. That's equals. Those equals are literally so clean. So that's what we were gonna be targeting as TP1. Gold has grabbed a lot of internal liquidity and momentum and has died down. Okay. Wow, bro.
I want to ask chat a question. Chat, are you mostly all trading ICT liquidity, or are you guys here because like Noah is a vibe on live stream? I just want to know.
Listen, he's not looking for a vibe right now. It's looking like we are having an emergency in my screen.
Oh no.
ICT liquidity. I think
Yeah,
like a lot of people like to trade like this. ICT, SMC, ICT and liquidity.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Inducement liquidity.
Yeah, which is ICT liquidity. Yeah, basically liquidity.
Yeah.
I had. He really want to know where you are. I think you want to have a date with you.
Yeah, I don't want to dox myself on live now, but feel free to send me a DM and we can chat, brother.
Usman, bro, how do you ensure that we took all liquidity at a specific level? Is there any confirmation that you're looking for? Okay, so this is something that I've spoke about before. I think we're gonna tap into my stop loss today, which is fine. So basically, whenever you have when you have the market just moving around, the moment where you know that the market took the liquidity, it's very simple. You're gonna be looking for two things, okay? Two things. So in here, for example, let's put it like this one in here, okay? Boom, boom, and boom. So someone in the chat, I'm just gonna make sure that everyone understand correctly. Usman, bro, how do you ensure? Okay, stop loss on minus. Usman, bro, how do you ensure that we took all liquidity at specific levels? Is there any confirmation that you are looking for? To know if all the liquidity on a key level has been taken, what you want to see is momentum, RSI divergence, and engulfing candles. Okay, so for example, if we have liquidity in here, we don't want to go directly into, we don't want to say directly, oh, liquidity out and now we go down. No. We need to understand, okay, why the market has been manipulating, why the market was going higher. Do we have any FVG, BPR, order block, any institutional levels, any kind of key level, anything that is stronger than just equals, okay? So when we see that there is a key level on top, usually what I like is BPR and FVG. Poof! Now we can be looking for a potential trade. And what I like to see after we take liquidity is divergence. Do we have a divergence in the RSI between those structure and this one? Because if we have a divergence with the RSI, it means that now the market is overbuying or overselling. Why? Because we need to target a key level. Remember, guys, like the market is trading with trillions of trillions. I don't know how much, but so much money. Like we are nothing compared to what the market injects in terms of cash. So if there is overbuying and overselling positions, there is an idea behind, okay? That is greater than what we are doing in here at home. So sometimes RSI is good for this because you just want to see what type of key level. And when you find the key level, when you see that and you understand that, now you can be like, okay, that the liquidity is out. So the next level that you want to, the next thing that you want to see is displacement, because now if new orders has been triggered, we're gonna see like a shift between buyers and sellers, and more we have sellers joining the market, more we're gonna be able to see a bigger move on the candlestick, and that's what I call displacement. And when we have the displacement, and when we have the engulfing candle, which is engulfing candle is basically eating the previous candle, this is where I know that now we are shifting. Now the orders has been triggered, and that's me just doing an analysis from the candlestick. I'm learning order flow, so I can't wait to see those numbers actually happening through, like, in front of me, because that will be another kind of confirmation on for me. And from there, when we have the displacement and we have the engulfing, this is where now I'm potentially entering for a trade. But yeah, so this is where I know that liquidity has been out. Like, gold is a perfect example, because look at gold. We have internal liquidity in here, poof. And actually, I didn't did like a full analysis on gold, so we're gonna see directly between us. Cool. We took the internal liquidity. Cool. Look at this. We tap into this BPR. Perfect. Cool. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Amazing. Now, do we have a divergence in 1 minute? Yes. Now we can see a better leg. Let me go in 1 minute. RSI, look at the RSI. We do have a divergence. So it means that the market has been manipulating overselling. You can see in here, divergence. Cool. From there, when we have the divergence, what did I say? I said we need to see displacement and bullish, engulfing candle. So in that case, bullish engulfing candle. And we have a bullish engulfing candle. And we also have the displacement, you see? Poof, we have this in here. We have the two of them. And what we have next is FVG in here and another FVG in here, and the market reacted most of the time from this FVG, and this is where you have your entry. So basically from there, what you want to do is take an entry. So you can, I would personally take it from here because I like this candle because it's engulfing the previous one. So I would take this one and stop loss below. Because in here we have plan. So this is plan A, as you guys know, I like to say FVG, first one. So plan A. Plan B, we have another FVG. Cool. Plan C, ABC. Yeah, plan C, we have this order block. Perfect. And now that we have our entry, we're gonna go back to the 1 hour, and you guys know, you've been watching my stream for a long time, the TP will always and we will remain always the 1 hour FVG at minimum, which is in here. We don't have, so it's gonna be way much more higher. Yeah, okay, so it looks like we have, I'm not gonna go too deep into it, but there is FVG in here in 1 hour. So basically this will be our TP on top. That's it. So yeah, so that's the entry model that I use. Sadly, it doesn't work all the time. Today it's a perfect example, for example, right now, because on NAS we got the same. We took the liquidity, we tapped into this FVG gap. That's the reason why on this one it didn't work that well, because we still have room at the bottom. That's the annoying part, but the analysis was the same. You see, divergence, look at the divergence, it's getting way much more stronger. So it is, we can see we're gonna go higher. I could take another entry right now. Look at the momentum, displacement, same. You see, same shit happen again. We don't have any engulfing, which is fine, but look at the displacement. Cool. It means that some orders has been activated again. Now that and look at this, engulfing candle in 5 minutes. We didn't got actually an engulfing candle previously. So this trade actually may be better compared to the previous one. And after that, same 1 hour FVG. On this one, we have the 1 hour here. So this will be the TP. So yeah, you see, like, same shit, same. But on PFT podcast, I've literally spoke about and went into details about this entry model. So be patient. Hopefully you're gonna have more. But yeah, I don't know if that helps, but yeah.
Yeah, chat's all talking about NQ taking the liquidity, Asian liquidity taken. Kabir says Nasdaq took full liquidity. They're all looking at very similar things. It looks like.
Yeah, yeah. I may try. I may try a last one more time. One more time, and I think after this we can call it a day.
Do you give yourself like a maximum number of like bullets for the day? Do you think of it in that way?
So when it's my funded account, I'm super solid on one trade a day, because I have so much stuff to do during the day that I can't allow myself to overtrade too much. But when it's a challenge, I really don't care. Mostly when it's like Apex at challenge, like without disrespecting Apex, it's just like the price is so cheap, bro. Like, and it's not me trying to sell Apex. It's just literally it's $20. Like it's for me, it's a McDonald's price. Like it's a price of a McDonald's menu. So I really don't care. Like I'm being a little bit more aggressive when it's challenges. So right now we are streaming, so I don't mind being a little bit more aggressive. But let's say that after the stream, I'm not going to be taking any trade. So I'm going to be a little bit more chiller. Let's put it that way.
Yeah, I like that.
But the thing is, I'm trying to limit my losses. So I could be taking like 10 trades today, for example, or during the stream. But I'm going to try to maintain no more than 1% loss on the day. So because we did a small profit before, we did a small loss after, I'm fine of taking like one more trade right now.
Yeah, do you ever find it difficult flipping that mentality between challenge and funded account?
No.
Because I see some people struggle with this. Like they'll treat their challenges quite aggressively, but then the moment they get funded, they have those kind of habits that stick with them, and they just end up full porting.
The thing is, like, my scenario is different, and I can't speak up for others, because when I log in, I have one in total. I have one without me glassing myself, but it's facts. My challenge is 150K. I don't care. Like it's 150K cost me $20. Like I used to say to my wife, I've ordered McDonald's menu. It's fine for today. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat tonight. If you guys eat, I'm not gonna be eating tonight. My meal has been on my challenge. It's fine. I'm losing weight. It's fine. But when I'm logging in on my 1 million account, where this is where I'm like, wow. No, big league. Well, let's stay focused, okay? And the other 400K that I have is with FTMO, and I have the same thing because I have 200K and 200K. And it's not 150. It's not 100. It's 200. So now I'm like, same. We need to take it more seriously. It's not like something that I just paid £20 or $20. Is higher than this. So let's keep it serious. So no, the shift is easy for me, and also the other shift is that I have a house, and basically we got like we recently in Portugal we got a massive storm. So right now I have 50K, around 60K of damage. So let's say I need money right now.
Damn.
I'm not selling any course. I'm not selling anything. I'm trading only. So I do need some money. So whenever I'm going back to my funded accounts, it's all of those things that come into. So some people will say is, okay, so how are you not getting any pressure from it? Because it's not every time you trade 1 million, and it's not every time that you have 60K that you need to pay. And from there it's just data. It's just data because you keep doing the same thing. Like I've been trading liquidity or ICT liquidity or liquidity since 2019. Same strategy since 2019. Like even like without dropping names, people that I know, they are all trading the same way that I trade. So that's why like I have been not changing my strategy. I've been consistent since 2019. So I have data. Like I have I've told before, I have so many hours of me recording, doing analysis, doing pre-market analysis, doing recording of me, why I've been losing those trades, etc., etc. And I have all of this data. So that's why I'm fine. I'm fine now, like, mentally. Even if right now we have 2 stop loss today, I'm fine. Like, yeah, I'm chill. And also the one of the rule that I have is on Monday, I never trade my Funnel account because Monday is a liquidity for me. That's something that I said to the stream many times. I said 80, so that's data, same facts. 85% of the time out of 100 trades on Tuesday, we go back to the same level on Monday. I repeat, every Tuesday when you open the market, we are either at the same level or as we are on Monday, or we go back to some of the same level on Monday. So for me, I'm like, what the point of trading on Monday? There is no point for me. I would rather spend time with my family, son, wife, friends, or work than just being on chart. If I go back to the same level on Tuesday, it's me wasting my time. So that's why I do some silly stuff that I'm doing right now, like taking trade on my challenges, because there is no point to do it on my funnel. I don't know what you guys think about, because I've been talking a bit too long.
No, I 100% gel with that. I mean, my data tells me that Wednesdays and Thursdays are my best trading days. So if I'm gonna put money on Monday, it's got to be A+ setup, or it's gonna be an eval. You know, it's not gonna be my funded account.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Okay, Nasi is not looking good, but it is fine. What you guys do like to... Oh, by the way, people in the chat, go like this video because you want to have a giveaway. Do you guys want to have a giveaway today? Looks like you don't want to have a giveaway. It's fine, because we can do that. We can do that. I'm fine. We can ignore giveaways today if you guys are slacking. Did you use, Usman, did you use trading replay to back and compile your data? Yes and no. Yes, but also TradeZilla. The thing that I do on TradeZilla, I don't know what you guys do. You guys use TradeZilla, Sanj and Adil?
Oh, 100%. No, I can't go without it.
Okay. So to reverse back to you is, how do you backtest your data? How can you get more data on your cases?
So I backtest on TradingView. I don't necessarily. I use TradeZilla for like my journaling, my template. You know, every day. Like that's where I have my check boxes, and then that's where I do my weekly review. But if I were to backtest, I backtest in TradingView.
But yeah, but how do you backtest? Like, do you backtest directly your entire strategy all the time, or do you just backtest a small part of it and you get data on it, or like?
Yeah, a small part. Yeah, a small part. I mean, like, but that's one of the struggles. But obviously, with family, full-time job, you know, I can't sit at the computer for like 8 hours a day to backtest. So I sample data, you know, and a good way to do is sample different types of markets too. You don't want to just sample 1 month or the last 30 days because the market could be at a bullish run or a bearish run, and that's going to skew your data, because what happens after a big bullish run or a bearish run? It consolidates. So if you want to backtest, what I would say is, what I like to do is I like to pick a month where I know market's been active, it's been, you know, volatile, and I also like to backtest on a month where I see there was a bunch of chop and the market went sideways, and that gives me, you know, good understanding and confidence on how to trade each market.
Do you backtest, Sanj?
Not too frequently anymore. I was very, very heavy on it when I started to try and like find a strategy that I was comfortable with. But it was something that I never took seriously at the start of my journey. And I think that's what made me take such a long time to find consistency. There's a lot of people that hate the idea of backtesting. I think it's the best thing that everyone should start with, in my opinion. I think it gets a lot of bad press because a lot of people say, oh, backtesting, you know, doesn't test your emotions, so it's not a real thing. And my philosophy is, it's not supposed to test your emotions. It's supposed to prove that you have an edge. That's a very, very different thing. It's the analogy I always give to people is like, it's like saying bicep curls are pointless because they don't give you abs. It's the wrong exercise for the wrong job, right? Backtesting in its raw purpose is to collect data and prove that you have positive expectancy with this set of criteria if you execute it over a large sample size of time and traits. And then you take that data, you move it to live markets, and that's where you start the test of emotions and everything else after that. But I don't believe in blending both of them together. So I don't buy into the idea that it's pointless because it doesn't test your emotions.
Yeah, no, I can agree. I think the best use of backtesting is to practice your entries, get the feel of it.
Yeah.
How the edge is going to play out as close as it can get to real time, so.
100%. 100%.
Eric B asked me earlier in the chat why I'm going long. Eric B, I trade a very simple system. I have 4 levels on my chart: overnight high low and yesterday high low. And the reason I went long today is because we were very close to overnight low. Market opened up, it shot up, came back down close to overnight low, and then I saw sellers being absorbed on the footprint right here at where is it? 585. So it was like right here. I saw sellers getting absorbed at this bullish engulfing. That gave me the green light to go long, targeting yesterday low. So, and then I'm protecting my stop under overnight low. So price might come back, sweep this, swing here, and it might go up. So either it's gonna, it's looking like I'm sitting in chop right now. So either it's gonna chop its way up to take profit or chop its way down to stop loss. So.
Do you ever move your stop? Like, do you have a management plan for your stop loss at all, or?
Man, I'm telling you, nothing tripped me up worse than interfering while I'm in a trade. So I had a bad habit of doing it, and I've completely cut it out because I would rather, I don't know, I'm just naturally optimistic. I'd rather give myself the opportunity than to, opportunity to make profit than to try to, save my trade, right? Look, I put the risk on. I put the stop loss at a place where it's going to be completely invalidated, right? My trade idea. And then, I'm just going to let it do its thing. So I'm not going to micromanage. So
yeah, fair. I like that, man. Do you find this, your approach gives you a setup basically every day?
Almost. Because these are key intraday levels, that everyone is looking at. It's like almost like a self-fulfilling prophecy, right? Like overnight high low, yesterday high low, all the eyes are on it, right? Day traders, big players, and I always find a nice reaction, and then I use order flow as a confirmation. So I would say I definitely get at least 3 to 4 trades a week, but I only take 1 trade a day.
Yeah, fair.
Okay, some people are saying that gold is looking good now. I see. Okay, so let's wait how the yeah, let's wait and see how the 5 minute is going to close.
I don't know if anyone cares too much, but gold from a higher time frame, I think, is looking somewhat weak. I would be very interested to see over the space of the next few days, over the space of the week, if we actually start to roll over in gold. It's just an interesting area for me. I don't have a signal to go short, but from a weekly perspective, from a daily perspective, we're starting to show some signs of weakness in a key area. I would be interested to see if this rotates.
Honestly, man, what I want is Trump to get the fuck out from the Oval Office, having someone that can just be like chill, and we can just trade in peace. We can just trade in peace. That's what I want. Honestly, like this year, I've been going through Twitter, TikTok, Shorts. The consensus is exactly the same from all the influencers and small people like me, etc. Is that we have the same feeling. This year is exhausting.
Very tough.
And the thing is, like, you want to be positive for the newcomers and be like, it's fine. You guys, the new guy is fine. You're gonna learn so good, but actually, it's actually worse for them.
You know what? I personally think these are the best conversations to have, though, because I think the glamification of trading on social media is almost more harmful for people in the long run, because these moments are inevitable at some point in time. Whether it's Trump, whether it's just you're going through a bad patch in the market, you're almost guaranteed to go through a tough point or period of underperformance at some point in time. And I think if people get comfortable and accept that idea, then actually playing the long game is much easier. I think if you're only expecting highs and rainbows and sunshines all like every day, you're hoping to get payouts all the time, I think that's what makes it worse. When your expectations don't meet reality, it's a hard fall from grace, man.
Facts, 100%.
Yeah.
Ron says, I agree with what you say, Sanj. No entry to short, but a higher time frame correction for more long. Yeah, fair.
This is my last attempt. And after this, if this one is not working, I'm done.
Ron says, Trump made me go bold. I wish I had that same excuse, but I was there before Trump.
I'm waiting for the fake short move to occur, then capitalize on the long move and target 1.16. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I see this point of view. Yeah, that makes sense. But to be honest, right now there is nothing for me to do. Like, I know you said because Spar was saying that there is potentially something to do on Euro, but the problem that I have personally is that if, let's say, I want to sell, I have this, I can't. If, let's say, I want to buy, I have this, I can't. So right now I need yeah, that's fine, Anthony. Right now, like, we are just stuck. So that's why I need to wait a little bit more. And NAS, this is my last attempt. Fuck it, last attempt. And after this, if that doesn't work, I retire from streaming.
What are you targeting, Noah? What are you looking for in price?
The same level. We have a 1 hour FVG on top. I don't really do like Asia session and stuff on NAS, to be honest. But we did take previous Asia low or so. So, but yeah, no, realistically, I just wanna get the FVG on top. That's it. Like, this is what I wanna have. The thing is, like, the 4 hours, we got a good rejection. We went slightly more lower. We took the previous 4 hour, which is fine. Previous 1 hour was slightly more bullish. We are rejecting right now. The 30-minute candle we closed slightly bearish, but not like strongly bearish. And we took the liquidity previously. So I'm 50-50. Right? I still believe we could go higher, but maybe I'm wrong. So but this will be my last attempt. Fuck it.
It's good vibes on Monday.
Fuck this shit. And after this, if that doesn't work, you know what? We're gonna do like last week. I'm gonna stand like this, and we're just gonna have it.
Yeah, Adil, you missed it. Me and Noah had a good therapy session last week. He basically kicked back like this and he was just pouring his heart out to me.
Oh man, therapy session. We need that after a Monday like this.
The thing is, like thank God, like, trading is going well, but recently I'm getting like saturated with trading. So I need to take I need holidays. I feel like I need holidays. What are your opinion? Oh, Katya, hello, Katya. Hope you're doing good, Katya. Let me know, Katya, by the way, when you're back to Portugal. Wifey and I, we're gonna see you. We need to see you, actually. Katya is a very good friend of his family at this level. She's family. and she's from Portugal. So yeah, we need to catch up soon. BTC. I'm actually same as usual. I'm not gonna lie. Like my friend and I, we took the long on hype. We are still holding the long. We are looking for this as main TP. So right now we are up 13%, which is great. But realistically, this is the same speech as last week. I don't have much more to say. Like, it's the same speech. We are doing sideways. Nothing much, nothing less, just boring. So wait and see at the moment. Wait and see because there is liquidity on both sides. Wait and see. At the moment, daily is very bullish. So short term, yeah, but overall, yeah, we are still in the same place. Look at this. We've been in the same place since July. And some people are going to say to me, this is bad. It's actually super good, guys. Like, you guys don't get it. But I've been saying this many times. This is actually such a good news that we are not going more down. We are sustaining for the past few weeks, months, to the same level. The shift from big sellers to small buyers are starting. And slowly, we want to see more buyers and more and more. So that's good. But yeah, who I am in any way, I'm very stupid.
Soren says, will Wednesday's FOMC minutes have any impact? I typically find the minutes are not a big market mover unless there's something unexpected that comes out in them. Usually it's the press conference. I think you've got to be more wary of. But I mean, definitely be mindful if you're trading around that time. I'm not expecting anything huge in there, but who knows, man? Who knows?
The screen right now, you don't set the target profit? No, because we are here on stream. The target profit is the FVG. But we will go down in BTC, I guess. Why are you screaming, Spars? I can hear, I can see. But we will go down in Bitcoin. Brother, I really hope so. I really hope, because if that's the case, I can finally breathe a little bit. What's your plan, guys, this week? You guys doing anything else this week?
I'm traveling. I'm actually heading back home this evening, going back to the UK.
Are you doing some pod?
Nah, my cousin is getting married next month, and I've got his stag in Europe at the end of this week. It's going to be messy. Everyone needs to pray for my liver. Yes, it's gonna be a messy one, man. But yeah, so I'm flying in, go hang out with the family for a few days, and then I'm heading to Europe at the end of next week.
Oh wait, so are you gonna be able to stream this week?
This week, yeah. This week's
Okay.
good. Yeah, okay. This week's fine. Next week might be shaky.
It's fun. I can't wait to see drunk Sunch on the stream.
Nobody needs to see that. Trust me.
Bro is gonna be over trading. Hey, let's go. We're gonna buy and sell at the same time.
He's gonna drop to a 30-second chart. He went from swing trader.
And he's gonna be telling us why the 30-second is so slow. I need something quicker.
Went from swing trading a daily chart to scalping a 30-second.
I wish I could drink, because this would be like one of the most funny stream ever. Because you will be so retarded. Like, I'm already super retarded without alcohol and drugs. So I'm sometimes I say to my wife, like, imagine how retarded I could be if I'm drinking. You lucky.
Yeah.
You lucky, I am not.
I think this is just age. I've gone to hate drinking, man. And it's not necessarily the drink, it's the hangover the day after. When I hit my 30s, my hangovers are terrible. Like, I cannot survive and function the next day. It's a bad time.
Okay, so what night are you drinking? Just to make sure that I'm not overloading stuff to you.
Starting on Friday and continuing on into the middle of next week.
Okay, perfect. We're gonna be streaming.
Yeah.
Sanj. I'll be asking for like we need more pod during this week.
Oh man.
What's your plan until this week?
So in all honesty, the reason I'm even really able to do streams is because I've taken a holiday from work. I just had a baby, so my only goal is to get as much sleep as I can when I can.
No, nice.
Yeah, congrats, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. So it's good to be able to take some time off from work. Trading I'm still doing. It doesn't take too much time, and it's a blast to be on the stream with you guys. So, but other than that, yeah, I'm gonna take as many naps as I can while I can.
If you don't mind me asking, how long do you get off work? Because I know like holidays in the US are like almost non-existent, like just normal annual leave. So I don't know if like for kids it's different or anything like that.
So no, we do have some government holidays. We have about like 10 to 12 government holidays a year.
Okay.
And then obviously company gives you time off as well. Hopefully if your company allows it, not everyone does, but if you're working for the good firm, good company, they give you some time off to enjoy just for vacation and stuff, and you get parental leave as well. And recently now, I think because of like the demand in tech and competition, companies have gotten a lot more lenient in offering time off to be more competitive. So before, it would be impossible for a father to take time off when it comes to parental leave, right? But now a lot more companies are starting to offer just to keep up with that competitive advantage. So thankfully, my company allows me to take time off for parental leave. So
nice.
So I can just focus on family, kids. Yeah.
We're spoiled because in the UK, like 25, 30 days company leave is like normal, very, very normal. Then you get the bank holidays and stuff on top.
Wow.
So it's a big shift when we talk to people from America. So like when we moved out to Bermuda, my fiance works locally on the island and they follow a very US system. And so when she came here, their like opening offer was like 15 days annual leave. And we were like, what? 15 days? Like, this is crazy. But we just don't understand how spoiled we are, man. In the UK, it's crazy. Europe, similar, right, Noah?
It's the same in France. Yeah, it's 2 weeks. No, it's 2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
2 weeks.
That's rough.
So is that mandated by the government? Like minimum has to be 2 weeks? And then I guess different companies can offer more or whatever, but minimum is 2 weeks, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, we technically, I don't think we have a minimum. Like, I don't think there's like a federal requirement. I think it's just, whatever company you're working with, they offer whatever there's part of their plan. Now, government holidays, that is mostly given, but paid leave, it really depends.
Damn, crazy.
Listen, guys, I'm getting tired of this market. It's so annoying, so boring. Like we've spent 2 hours in literally the same spot.
Yes.
Literally spend 2 hours in the same spot.
Yeah. The markets are, so last week I did the stream with Pav, and New York Open hit and NQ just went vertical and basically printed the entire day's range in one straight line. And we had the same issue. The markets were like moving that day, but there was no entry. We were just sitting there chopping it up for 2 hours. Like, I don't know. It's crazy, man.
But that's the thing. So like people like on the stream, we need to entertain. We need to do things because 80%, 90%, I would say 80% of the time, there is no fun in trading. It's just like you do your job, you just wait, you click a button, follow your strategy, for your roles, and after this, it's in the hand of the market.
Yeah.
You leave it to him, and he's gonna be doing some great stuff and bad stuff. But right now, there is nothing to do. Like, we started at what, 2 p.m. Look at this. We've started here, and now we are back to the same level.
Yeah. I almost feel like these are the moments that kill people most, right? It's the boredom. It's
100%.
being able to sit on your hands and do
Oh,
nothing.
brother, I'm almost there to put more in my trades right now. Like, I'm almost there to put 20 more. 20 more micros. I'm ready. I'm almost there. Like, do you see this line? I'm almost there to put 20 more micros. Thank God it's not my funded account.
Oh god. Saif says Sanjay's voice is like Andrew Tate's. I swear I'm not crazy.
Listen, guys, I don't think it's a good idea to say that.
I don't, literally, I'm the wrong person to be pairing him with right now.
This is the wrong timing.
It's just the bald head and the beard. He's just ruined that look for anybody. And I've tried to explain. I was like, if I don't have a beard, I look like my thumb, right? I've said this many times. I'm just trying to avoid that. You get trolled either way, evidently, man. Samuel says in Canada, you only have 1 week when you start somewhere, and then each year you get one more until you have like 6 weeks.
Oh my days.
Crazy.
Yeah, I was gonna mention I was chatting with someone on and essentially that's what we were talking about. Like, all markets seem like they're very slow right now. I mean, it's August, it's the end of summer. I feel like all the big participants, they're just wrapping up their summer vacation on their yachts in Monaco,
Yeah.
and taking advantage of while we still have the warm days, and then perhaps after August is when we might really start seeing some volume come back. Not good for us. I mean, if we trade every day, but we just gotta be more selective, right? Focus on higher quality. So that's at least what I'm doing.
You're getting a point in here, because I used to say, oh, I don't believe on the seasons and stuff. Like, I don't believe on July and August. Yeah. But to be honest, this July and August was hard. Like, I used to have very good setup every week. Like, right now it's every 2 weeks. And the thing is, like, that made me question at a certain point. And after this, when I opened my drawer and I saw 1 terabyte of SSD cards with full of backtest screenshots, videos of myself about trading, I said, well, I have 2 terabytes. Maybe don't question yourself. Maybe it is actually the markets slowing down, being weird. And that's what I said, bro. Like, I can't wait. Like, I used to like Trump back in, I don't know what the years was, like, long time ago.
Term.
Yeah. I don't know for you, but I at that time I was like, yeah, Trump, yeah, good. But right now I'm like, Trump, no, it's a no. It's a no. Well, at least my trade is going back to the right direction. If my trade is reaching TP, hopefully I will call it a day. Slightly a little bit in profit, but we will call it a day.
So, I mean, I use the footprint chart. I do use order flow. I've been using it for almost a year now. But a real simple way of using volume is just to look at how much volume you see at the first 5-minute candle, right? And just to start gauging that number. And that really helps you understand when volume has dried up. And you can see, like, when market starts chopping. You see, like, that week that volume dies on the open, that week ends up being chopped. So that's a real simple way of the way I like using volume, just to gauge where the market is. And, like, literally the second week of August, like in the middle of the week, volume just died for YM, and we've been in chop since. So that's why I've lowered the risk a little bit, and I'm just trading eval until I know what the average volume is, and until it comes back, I'm probably just gonna stay on this eval and just try to collect some data points, really, see where we're at. I'm not gonna put up anything serious as a risk. At least that's my opinion.
Damn, it's already 50. I didn't realize. Let's do a giveaway. Fucking hell. I didn't see that you guys Any giveaway today, sir? Don't worry, we got you. Wait a second. 95% trading is boring because I only trade EURUSD. Brother, your EURUSD has been fun. You can't say this to me. The EURUSD has been fun. Nas, astaghfirullah. You should do. Okay, so let's do a giveaway. Wait a second. No, we're not doing a giveaway. You guys are slacking. We've been trying to do stuff with the market, and I see only 61 likes. Hey, come on, let's go to 80 likes at least. Let's go to 80 likes at least, and from there, we may do a giveaway.
You know what? I just realized I didn't even throw in my like. I'm about to throw in there. So help you guys out. There you go.
Adeel, what are you doing, bro?
I'm just so focused on the market, you know. I just totally slipped my mind, but I'm in there now. There you go. Helped you guys out a little bit.
Okay, we got a boost from Adeel. Sench, get your other accounts.
Yeah.
I know.
Get the bot army ready.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is looking good now. Hopefully, I'm gonna put myself in break even. So what did we have today? We got one small TP, one break even, one stop loss, another stop loss, and hopefully this one will be a TP. Hopefully.
I may have to let this trade run till the afternoon. Honestly, I might just leave this running. I mean, I'm not out. I'm still in. You know, I went into profit, got into drawdown, went back into profit, back in drawdown, but my stop loss is protected. So I'm just gonna see what happens until I'm just gonna hold this till 3:30, New York. So let's just see what happens.
I know you don't ever move your stops, Adeel. Do you ever scale out? You ever take a few contracts off?
No, man. Nope. I am trying to, like I said, I damage myself way too much trying to micromanage my trades. You know, and then beating myself up about it later, and that's worse than losing the trade. Honestly, I mean, you're trading a eval, you're trading a prop firm account, but beating yourself up and that negative self-talk kills you way more. I feel like it, you know, at least me personally, you know. So I cut all that out. Once I'm in the trade, you know, my stop loss is my invalidation level. We're just gonna see what happens. It's just days like this just are brutal when it's just not going anywhere. You know, you just don't know what's gonna happen. I really like that. You know, if I would get stopped out or hit take profit in 5-10 minutes, you know, that's prime, right? At least I'm done and I can walk away. Seeing this chop, it's tough. But yeah, I'm hands off, and we'll just be back. I'll set my alerts. I'll just be back watching in the background. Go make some breakfast or something with the kids.
Fair, sensible, man.
Well, it looks like we are not having giveaways today, guys.
No.
I mean, they're slacking. They're slacking. What do you want me to do? Like, we're missing 6 more likes. My trade is going back down.
We can't get 6 likes. Come on, guys.
Run it up, guys. If you want this giveaway.
Before Noah changes his mind, you know.
Yeah, I know, right?
He's been switching back and forth on his analysis. You know, he might just flip on you guys. Might take the giveaway away. Come on.
Yeah, even Liquidity is telling you to like. Market are choppy today. Yes, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is. It is. But it's okay. It's just only Monday.
81 likes.
Eric, can I take the man back? This way. Wait. Okay, we're gonna do a giveaway quickly, guys. Yeah, let's do it. What do we have, Anthony, actually? If you can let me know. because I don't want to say stuff. Apex. Hola. And TradeZilla 1 month. Okay. Well, let's do it. So you know what? Let's do exclamation mark. What can we do? Exclamation mark. Okay, I know. Oh shit, how do we do exclamation mark on a MacBook? Okay, here. Oh, that's a good one. Let me know when it's ready, set up, and Anthony. Ready? Okay, nice. So you guys don't spam it, just put in once, okay? And we give you 2-3 minutes. Put this exclamation mark slow day to be part of the giveaway. Today we have 1 Apex. Pull your hair off. Okay, we'll keep this one for next time. I like this one, Eric.
Yeah. It's a lifestyle for me, bro.
No, I wanted to ask for people that spam. Do you put them in like in a penalty corner? Do you take them out of the giveaway, or are you a little bit more forgiving?
They're getting no. They're automatically getting out of the list.
Of the spam.
Yeah, if they spam like 1 or 2 times, 2 or 3 times is fine, I think. But when it's more than that, they're getting out. Actually, I don't know, but because it's more Anthony that is the producer behind that he's doing the thing. Wait, he's answering. Let me see. What is he going to say? Yeah, if they type it twice, it removes them. Here we go. Slow day. Yeah, it is a slow day. But at this stage, we may finish the day in profit. So all I want is just the market to reach my TP. At least I'm in break even now, so I can breathe. You know what? Actually, Adil, I hate scalping. You know that? Did you know that? Like it doesn't look like it today, but I hate scalping.
Really?
Yeah.
How come?
It's just like
exhausting.
It's mentally exhausting. Yeah. Like right now, imagine like I need to like right after the stream, I'm going back to my daily work and daily stuff to do, and it's just exhausting to operate at 100%, 200% of your focus, because at the end of the day, like we are here to entertain, but we are also here to do some serious stuff like trading. For sure. There is people who doesn't make money and they are focused at 200%. Imagine we are trying to make money and at the same time working, at the same time entertaining, at the same time being super retarded.
That last one just comes naturally to us though, right? Like
yeah, shoot.
No, you're absolutely right, Noah. I heard somewhere where I think you're really only capable of making 2 to 3 key decisions in a day, right? And that's why you see a lot of like even big CEOs and people who like Mark Zuckerberg and all them, they literally wear the same t-shirt. Like they wear the same outfit every day. They try to minimize as many decisions as they can. And if you're scalping, I mean, you're probably making what, 5-10 decisions a day. I can't see how, like, I would not be able to do it. I'm 1 decision a day kind of guy when it comes to trading. Then, just deal with my life after that.
Yeah, exactly. And also we need to think about my brother, I need to choose wisely every decision that I make whenever I'm opening my eyes and my wife is opening her eyes. And I need to be sure that I'm not saying any stuff that could make this day worse for me.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it can go very quick. Simple thing. For example, I was cleaning the floor yesterday. I put the the cleaning stuff to the right place. Brother, she was on top of me. Like, where is it now? I can't find it. People are coming to our place in a few minutes. I can't clean the floor right now. You need to do it.
Oh man.
I like to do that because she watched the stream. So I'm gonna have a message. There we go. I got the message. Empty. Here where she is like, not. This is not true. You piece of cake. That was quick. Okay, guys, we do the giveaway. Anthony, send it to me. We're gonna do the duck race. We're gonna do a quick one. And after this, hopefully I will guys, we will let you know. I'm gonna create a Discord channel for Adeel quickly. Like this, he can also update you. And don't hesitate, Adeel, to whenever I will explain to you after. But we have a good community, so don't hesitate to share your stuff. Honestly, I'm happy to have people like you because yeah, it's raw, it's honest. And that's what we like to see on people, honestly, at the end. So I will come back to you after the stream.
Yeah, sounds good, man.
Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
So boom, sharing window, sharing this window. Yeah, boom. So I'm adding. Yeah, bro, this is savage. I love those ones.
Nice.
Boom. We're gonna do 30 seconds because we don't have too much time. Boom. So the first one, okay, let me see the stream if everything is working perfectly. Yeah, duck race. Boom. Okay, perfect. So the first one will be for Apex. First one will be for Apex. Alright, guys, listen. Happy wife, happy life. Okay. I used to say I'm a very chill person, and she's very fiery, which is actually a good combination. At the end.
Yeah. They say opposites attract.
Lockdown. Congrats, man.
Congratulations.
Lockdown, you have few seconds. Hello?
There he is. Straight in it.
Okay, perfect. Congratulations. You won the Apex account. Well, don't ask me, is it a 25, 50, or 100K? You will see on Discord. So what you need to do is to create a ticket in the Discord saying that you won the giveaway. And Vinit will be asking you the rest of the questions to make sure that it's you and not... who won, Anthony? Lockdown _BH. He said hello in the chat. Okay, next one is Hello Prime. Wait. Oh, TP.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Hey.
Nice.
TP.
There you go.
Okay, cool. We will get back to the stream after. Don't worry. We're gonna go back to. I need to show off a little bit. So let's go after. Okay, so shuffle. Start. So this one is Hola Prime. By the way, guys, if you don't know Hola Prime, a lot of people has been very happy about Hola Prime because when you use the code CFL, be smart, okay? Maybe the Hola Prime guys doesn't know. But be smart. When you use a code, take all the options, all of them. Take all of the options, and after you put the code CFL, and you have all the options for free.
Nice.
Okay, Tonio. Tonio, my friend.
Hey, what is that? Like
can...
a COVID duck or something? He's got a mask on. Man, don't give me flashbacks, bro. Come on.
I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I want to have COVID again.
Oh my god, bro! Turn the stream off, man. I can't have this. No. Don't even speak that into existence, bro.
I mean, it was nice on that time. Like all the like drama around, like, oh, there is no sheet paper, you know, like the toilet paper anymore. We don't have eggs anymore. That was crazy. Race again. Shuffle character. So this one is 1 month with Tradezilla. The last one, 1 month with Tradezilla. Let's go. 1 month Tradezilla. I mean, honestly, like Adeel, like you will be working from home, so that's a good deal for you.
Yeah, it is, but it's just, man, the panic. I mean, obviously, I think a lot people are a lot wiser now, but the panic and the stress that was at that time, man, can't do it, bro. I don't wish those days on anybody.
I mean, yeah, now that we have kids, actually.
Yeah, it's different.
Maybe it's different.
Simon.
Congrats.
Day 17 of asking for Singe hair oil. That's a good question.
Bro, I've been streaming for like 3 weeks and it's day 70 apparently. There's no way you're making money as a trader, my friend.
Where is Simon? Simon. Oh yeah, Simon
Rosenberg.
Your name is not into it. It's fine, James. Next week, don't worry. My duck slept on the yeah. Okay, just let's give it
starting line.
Oh, Nas is still going higher. Come on, baby. Come on, go higher. Did you see that we literally got a good move whenever we started the duck race?
Is there some confluence to our trading here now?
No, but I remember I
we
got
just
the
do
same
giveaways the whole 2 hours. We all run it up.
I swear.
Just start the stream giveaways 9:30. First one. Let's go. Get some volume in here.
Well, you know what? Well, he missed it. So we go for another one.
Amber Nicholson is asking Adeel, where are you from? I am in the USA.
Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, at least I'm finishing my day in profits. That's what I was looking today. As Monday is a bonus day, so whoa, that was okay. Twice. Gorav. I think I've seen your name somewhere. Sanj, which country are you from?
Originally London, originally UK, man. But I now live primarily in Bermuda. I flip-flop back and forth between UK and Bermuda.
Okay, nice. Congratulations, everyone. I'm just gonna switch quickly to window. I think it's window. Yeah.
Just real quick update, guys. I'm also still in my longs. Overnight low is holding nicely, and I'm just gonna stick with it until power hour. Honestly, I'll just keep an eye on it. I'll set my alerts. Like I mentioned earlier, I don't like to micromanage. I still think this is a solid entry because we haven't hit my stop loss. So looks like it's choppy. It's gonna go back and forth, and I'm just gonna be hands off. So, but I'll keep you guys posted in the Discord what ends up happening.
Just can you remind me quickly, like what's the red line?
The red line is the overnight low.
Ah, okay.
It's, Asia, I guess you can say. Asia low.
Yeah.
At least in here in futures in New York, I mean, we just say overnight just because that's pre-market, you know. So I'm targeting yesterday low, which is up here. It's a yellow line, but it's just my sell limits over it. But even if I get a 1-to-1, I'll be happy on this market, man.
Tweet Gorav, please give it to someone else. I have one already. You know what? I have an idea. I'm not gonna say it because I don't wanna I need to speak to the boys before I say anything. But it's fine. I will keep this one in store. I will keep this one in store because I have an idea. Thanks, Dwight Gorav.
Yeah, that's good karma right there, man. It's
Yeah.
awesome.
Good vibes.
Yeah.
That's a good
Giving it
child.
away.
You see?
You don't
Yeah,
see that
see?
often, man. People are dying
Yeah.
to want to give away. You know, I mean, as they should. I mean, you know, free accounts are always awesome, but that's awesome, man. See, that's wholesome. That's a wholesome community. No, I like this, man. I like this stream. This chat is nice. Good.
You know
vibes
what,
there.
Dwight? You know what, Dwight? You know what, Dwight? Do you have an Apex account? Dwight, do you have an Apex account? I feel it's a good day today. Today is a winning day. Today it's a winning day. Okay, let me so wait. Let me take a screenshot. And I'm gonna close these trades. Oh shit, yes. Okay. Let me take a screenshot first, actually.
Watch Trump tweet just as you screenshot now.
What you said?
Yeah, I said nothing. Take a screenshot, bro.
Son, you know what I noticed? Like even last week, Trump was making some comments, and still the market really wasn't moving that much. I feel like people are over. I mean, maybe investors are getting over it. They just want to see the
Maybe.
actual results. You know?
Yeah. Bro, he's been saying, "Oh, we have a peace deal with Iran." He said maybe 5 or 10 times.
Yeah.
Between 5 to 10 times. I'm like, brother, like I don't believe you anymore.
Or threaten to destroy them in the same sentence. You know, you just never know.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Well, guys, I'm gonna leave you there because I have a couple of things to do. But it was nice to have all of us between all three together. So I really hope that next week we can do again. And people in the chat, I hope that you guys also enjoyed. Adil was his first day today, and he smashed it. Honestly, very happy, very nice. It feels natural, which is actually what I like. But what was your feeling, guys?
Yeah, it was awesome. I loved it. Thank you so much for having me on. Everyone in the chat was awesome. I'm excited to be here. Definitely want to run it up again with you guys. Unfortunately, yeah, the market was chopped, but hey, congrats on hitting your TP. Congrats to everyone who won the giveaway. And I would love to be back here with you guys again.
Yeah, it's a good day, man. Good start to the week. Solid, boys.
Exactly. Well, boys, take care, everyone. I see you tomorrow with Mr. Adil. I think Sanj will join us after, I believe.
I probably can do for a little bit tomorrow. I'll see how I get on with my coaching call, but yeah, I'll try and hop in towards the end.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
I see you tomorrow, boys.
See you guys
Take
later.
care.
All right, take it easy. Bye.
Okay, done.